class student. In this chapter, pattern and symmetry, we have already learned about patterns. So, we have done many problems of the number pattern and picture pattern, okay? So, there we have to only observe what order they are following, what the rule they are following, and according to that, we are completing the series. Now, today in this class, we will learn about symmetry, okay? Symmetry, symmetrical figure and line of symmetry, okay? So for this, first I am showing you one activity. This is a piece of paper. Which shape it is? It is rectangular shape, okay? Now I am folding this paper from the middle, and you can see that it is covering each other. When we are folding from here, this paper is covering it. Means we can divide this paper into two equal halves. We can able to divide now. If we will cut, it will be equal halves. And we can see that if it is covering each other, it is not coming out from this side or that side, means it is equal then only. So this is the equal halves, and we have divided from this line. So this figure is known as symmetrical figure, okay? The figure which we can divide into two equal halves are known as symmetrical figure. And the line through which we can divide it into two equal halves is known as line of symmetry. So this is the line of symmetry. Again, we can fold this paper from this direction also. Then also we can able to divide into two equal halves. You can see here. So this is also a line of symmetry, okay? This folded line is also a line of symmetry for this paper, and this is also a line of symmetry for this paper. But if I will fold this diagonally, I am folding this paper diagonally, you can see here. You can see it is not covering each other from both sides. This side, this part is coming out. From this side, this part is coming out. Means from this line, we can't able to divide this paper into two equal halves. You understand now? We can't able to divide into two equal halves. So this is not a line of symmetry for this shape. Again, if we will fold from this direction, another diagonal direction, then also it is not dividing into two equal halves. Both side paper is coming out. You can see this side and that side. It is not covering each other. So this is also not a line of symmetry for this shape. Now we will take an activity. This is a square paper, okay? That was the rectangular shape and this was the square. Same thing we will do. If we will fold from this direction, it is covering each other, means we can divide this paper into two equal halves through this line. So this is the line of symmetry. Again, I will fold from this direction. From here also, we can divide this paper into two equal halves. So this is also a line of symmetry. Again, I am folding diagonally this paper. You can see that it is covering each other. Means we can divide diagonally also this paper into two equal halves. Now I am showing from another diagonal. I am folding this paper from another diagonal. This is also covering each other. Okay, both the part is covering each other, means we can divide this paper into 2 equal half through this line also. So this square paper is having 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3 and then 4 lines of symmetry. And that rectangular paper was having only 2 lines of symmetry. So what we have learned today, the figure which we can divide into 2 equal halves are known as symmetrical figure. Okay. There are 2 types of figures, symmetrical figure and non-symmetrical figure. So the figure which we can divide into 2 equal halves are known as symmetrical figure. Okay. And figure which we can't able to divide into 2 equal halves are known as non-symmetrical shapes or figure. Okay. Can't able to divide. Okay. Okay, the figure or shape which we can divide into 2 equal halves are known as symmetrical figure, and which we can't able to divide is known as non-symmetrical figure. So, if this shape is like this, okay, this is the shape. Whether we can divide this into 2 equal halves, you can see no. From no direction we can divide this figure into 2 equal halves. So this type of figure is known as non-symmetrical figure, and there will be the no line of symmetry. For non-symmetrical figure there will be the no line of symmetry because we can't able to divide into a 2 equal halves. Okay. So only line of symmetry is for symmetrical figure, not for non-symmetrical figure. So first of all, what you have learned here, we can divide some shape and figure into 2 equal halves. That is known as symmetrical figure or shape. And we can't able to divide some shape or figure into 2 equal halves. That are known as non-symmetrical figure or shape. I am showing you one example here. This globe we can divide into 2 equal halves from many ways. Okay, in many ways we can divide it into a 2 equal halves. So this is the symmetrical figure. Now you can see this solid shape. We can't able to divide into 2 equal halves. If I will cut from this direction, it is not equal upside and downside. If I will cut from this direction, till here it can be equal, but this side you can see some shape is this side, but that side there is no shape. So we can't able to divide into 2 equal halves from this direction also, neither from this direction nor from this direction. Means we can't able to divide this solid shape into two equal halves from any direction, okay, any line, from any line of symmetry. So this is non-symmetrical shape. So here you see one more example. This, okay, this we can divide into two equal halves from this direction. From this line we can divide this shape into two equal halves, but we can't able to divide from this line. We can divide through this line, okay. But in cup, so this is the symmetrical figure, but in cup you can see we can't able to divide from this line also. The shape of this handle is different from upside and downside, so it is not symmetrical from this line. Again, if I will cut from this line, then also it is not equal halves, it is not symmetrical, because this side there is a handle, this side there is no handle. So this is non-symmetrical figure. Now I think you better understand what is symmetrical figure and what is non-symmetrical figure, okay. So now we will talk about the symmetrical figure. We are going to talk about the line of symmetry. So the figure which we can divide into two equal halves are known as symmetrical figure, and for a symmetrical figure there is a line of symmetry. What is the line of symmetry? Line of symmetry is the line through which we can divide that shape or figure into two equal halves. Just now I have shown you that there are many line of symmetry. From this line also we can fold it, okay, and we can divide into two equal halves, because each part is covering each other. No part is coming out now, it is covering perfectly each other, each part, okay, from this line. From this line also it is covering each other, means it is divided into two equal halves from this line also and from this line also. So this shape, this square shape, is having four line of symmetry, means from four line we can divide the shape into two equal halves. So what is the line of symmetry? Line of symmetry is the line through which we can divide any figure, any symmetrical figure, into two equal halves, okay. Figure or shape into two equal halves. So you have seen, for square there is a four line of symmetry, for rectangle there is only two line of symmetry, for circle there is infinite line of symmetry, okay. And then we will talk about some alphabets. For example, first I am showing some figure here. This is symmetrical figure. We can divide into two equal halves, but through which line? Through this dotted line we can divide into a two equal halves, okay. So this is line of symmetry for this figure. Now for this plus sign, what will be the line of symmetry? This and this. There is two line of symmetry. Just now for the square we have seen we are having 4 lines of symmetry, 1, 2, 3 and 4. For rectangle only we are having 2 lines of symmetry, 1 and 2. Okay. For circle we are having infinite line of symmetry, this from any direction we can divide into 2 equal halves. Okay. Now we are talking about alphabets. You are writing the A, B, C, D. There is also line of symmetry. Some alphabets we can divide into 2 equal halves. Some like that A. A is the symmetrical. We can divide into 2 equal halves through this line. Okay. B. B also we can divide into 2 equal halves but through this line. C also we can divide into 2 halves but this line. D also we can divide through this line. E also we can divide now but through this line. F we can't able to divide into 2 equal halves. We can divide F? No. So this is non-symmetrical figure. Okay, we can't able to divide into 2 equal halves. Then G also we can't able to divide into 2 equal halves. But H we can divide from this way, from that way. There is having 2 line of symmetry. For I also there is having 2 line of symmetry. For J there is no line of symmetry. Now I think you understand. For K there is only 1 line of symmetry. L no line of symmetry. So like that in the alphabets also you can find the line of symmetry. And line of symmetry is only for symmetrical figure or shape. For non-symmetrical figure we can't able to draw a line of symmetry, because when we are can't able to divide only into 2 equal halves, how we can draw the line of symmetry for non-symmetrical figure? Okay, because line of symmetry is the line through which we can divide that shape or figure into 2 equal halves, and non-symmetrical figure we can't able to divide only. So there is no line of symmetry for non-symmetrical figure. For symmetrical figure there should at least 1 line of symmetry. So thank you children. Have a nice day. Next day, in the next class, we will solve some question related to symmetrical figure, non-symmetrical figure and line of symmetry. Okay? Bye bye.